Song I've written in 2020, mga around September, November, ana era. So, in the pandemic na ako sa balay, and then I was in my room, murag natubra ko, and then after nun siya, and then come across lang po ba murag tune gani, murag nalagi siya sa akong mind, kaya murag ano ba? So, namata ko, and then I had to record it. It is a song, dili man siya inspired yun by domestic abuse, but at that time, we were inside mga homes, gani, natasusulod sa balay, and then ang domestic abuse was very rampant sa new. So, the song itself, Crowded Places, it's longing for crowded places. Parang nag-long for crowded places ba? So, the main character, aning story is, ang first part niya, let me help you out, let me carry your worries wherever you go. Let me make sure that late nights are strawberry fields under starry sky. So, ganang nga part, mura siya nag-ingon lang let's go out, kaya siya, yung self, hindi na siya ka-stand, galing na siya sa house. Let's go out, kaya the toxicity is there. Ano ba? The more we try to make things simpler, the more complicated it becomes. We both know we're bad for each other, but we love each other anyway. We are broken people who can't fix each other. So, you can take it both ways, but it can be both positive and it can be negative. So,